Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Verilog coding with me. So let's get started. So today we will be seeing about another gate and two gates. So let's see another gate. So here is the problem. So implement the following circuit. So we have to implement the circuit in the code. So as you can see, what is happened this? Okay, just a second. So as you can see, this gate is our AND gate, but here there is slight twist. Here in1 is directly passed as in1 and into is passed as an invert of into. This is the inversion. So let's see how we can write. So first we have to write assign output equal to. So we have to write direct in1 of AND. This is the AND operation and we have to invert the into. So we have to use invert of into. Let's submit the code. The compilation process has been started. As you can see, the status is success and there are no errors. So let's move on to the next problem. So here is another circuit we have to implement. So as you can see, there are two gates. This is XOR and this is XNOR. So how we can implement this? So first we have to declare a wire for this one. As we can declare anything, as I will declare as X. So first we have to declare the wire X. So as you can see, we have the XOR symbol, but we don't have the XNOR symbol. So what we have to do is, we have to perform the XOR operation and then invert it. So first one, assign. The output of this gate is X. So we have to add X equal to inversion of in1. This is the XOR operation symbol into this. Now we have got the X, this wire. So we have to perform another XOR operation. So assign out is our main output, equal to X XOR in3. Let's submit the code. So as you can see, compilation process has been started. As you can see, the status is success and there is no error. So that's all for today. In the next we will see about the more logic gates.